Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Charandeep Kapoor. I will be discussing some options trade which are taken by hedge funds and bigger fund houses and how they are able to buy Ethereum for cheaper at higher leverage and limit their downside losses. So as you may have seen that hedge funds usually have a higher profits than retail traders. How are they able to achieve that? So basically they trade options and futures and they create risk defined strategies and they have higher probability trades and lower losses than normal retail traders. That is the only difference. So if you are able to copy their strategies and learn from them, you will also be able to generate higher returns on your capital. So today we'll be discussing option strategy on which you can buy Ethereum cheaper and you can limit your downside losses. So in this trade idea, what we'll be doing is we are going to be buying the 1500 call option and the 70, and we'll be selling the 1700 call option. So let's look at the Ethereum's chart. So as you can see in this chart, Ethereum has formed a strong downside support of 1500 and it has formed a strong upside resistance of around 1700. And Ethereum broke out in the past few hours, so that is why we'll be taking this trade. So we are going to be going long on Ethereum at current prices, and our target will be 1700 and our downside will be $1500. So why are we going to take this bull call spread rather than buying Ethereum spot or Ethereum futures? So basically this is a risk defined trade, and this can offer you higher leverage and also limit your downside losses. So in this trade, you will be able to buy Ethereum for just a capital of $120, and that is going to be your maximum loss in this trade. So you can buy Ethereum, which is trading currently at around $1,600 for just $120. So you're essentially getting a 15x leverage. You're buying Ethereum at 15x cheaper prices. And also the maximum loss this trade can take is the money you put in, which is only $120 in front of $1,600, which you would have to put in if you were buying Ethereum spot price. Also, if you look at the current price of Ethereum, it is trading at 1634. But since we are going to do it via an options trade, we'll be buying Ethereum at a price of 1610. So we'll be buying Ethereum 20 to $25 cheaper than the current market price. So let me show you how it is going to happen. So what you're going to do, you can go to a Deribit or Delta Exchange, and what you have to do is go to the 31st March expiry, and you have to buy the 1500 call option, which is currently trading at a capital of around 185, and you have to sell the 1700 call option, which is trading at $72. So essentially you have to pay a premium of 184 minus 72, which is around $110. This premium which you have paid will be your maximum loss, and you can now get the full benefit of holding an Ethereum to the upside up till $1700. So on my channel and on my website, I keep on sharing common trade ideas. If you go to my website and go to the crypto section, I've already shared a trade. I created this video yesterday, and this is a Ethereum's options trade with 90% probability. So you can check out my website link in the description and also check out this video in the I button. So let's ask ChatGPT on how this is going to go. Okay. So ChatGPT has given us a description of this strategy. So what ChatGPT says that the advantage of buying a ITM bull call spread, which is the name of this option strategy, is that it typically requires less capital than buying the underlying asset. So if you were going to buy an Ethereum, you will have to pay $1,600, but now you just have to pay $120. So in case of this specific trade, the total premium paid for the bull call spread is around $110, which is going to be the maximum loss, which I told you earlier. Also, the return on investment will be 100% if Ethereum touches $1,700, since the maximum profit this trade can make is around $100. On the other hand, if you were buying Ethereum spot at around $1,600, you would require a total capital of $1,600, obviously, and your ROI will also be lower. Also, another thing with an options trade is that options don't get liquidated. So if you're taking a bull call spread strategy, you will continue to be holding this position till the 31st of March, no matter what happens. So if you're buying a spot, you'll have to pay a full $1,600 margin. And if you're taking a futures trade, if you let's say take a 5x leverage trade, you will have a liquidation price which will be 20% below your market price. So if Ethereum goes down 20%, your futures trade will be liquidated and the trade will cut. So usually what happens with most traders, most retail traders, is that they pick the right direction, but due to market volatility, Ethereum can first go dip down and then it can reach their target. So a retail trader may get liquidated in this way. So we are going to do it via options in which we don't get liquidated. So what you have to do is you have to buy the 1500 call option and sell the 1700 call option. How the graph for this is going to look like. So I generated the graph. So also another thing which you need to note is that if you see the graph here, so you can see that the maximum loss of this strategy is only $110, which I told you earlier, and this is the maximum profit. So since even if you were trading spot or trading futures, you would have taken a profit at around $1,700, which is your target price when Ethereum hits the resistance. This is the chart of the Ethereum spot or the Ethereum future. So as you can see, below $1,500, the Ethereum spot will continue to lose while our option trade will stay steady at a maximum loss of $110. And since our target is only for $100, $90, this options trade is perfect for this. So this is what we are going to do, and we'll be able to capture the complete upside till $1,700, which is our target price. If Ethereum goes above that, which is not a part of our target anyways, we'll exit our trade or we'll continue to hold it till 31st of March, after which the options will expire and you'll get the full profit of the trade. If you want to follow more strategies like this, and if you want to learn how hedge funds trade from inside, you can follow my channel, and I'll also be doing a AMA or a live trading session very soon. So stay tuned.